Okay, in our last class we learned how to use the repeat command to make the turtle perform a step multiple times. So for example, if we want our turtle to make a square, we're going to repeat 4 times, put the brackets, and then whatever's inside the brackets, the turtle will repeat. Okay, so we have him going forward 30 steps, turning right 90 degrees, and he's going to do that 4 times. There we go, there's the square. Now today we're going to learn how to use the to command to create a recipe for this square. Instead of having to type this every time, we're going to write exactly the directions for a square, and we're going to go like this: to square. Okay? So what this is telling the computer is that we are writing a program for how a square is created. Okay? You can see right here it says defining procedure square. So we're going to write down how to make a square. I'm going to use the same directions, repeat 4. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger this time. Forward, let's say 50, right turn 90 degrees. And then you have to type end to let the computer know that you're finished writing the program. Okay? So let me clear my screen. And now if I just type the word square, move the mouse out of the way, if I just type the word square, boom, it does it. Okay? Because I already told the computer how to make a square. Here's how to do it. So now all I have to do is type the word square, and the turtle knows how to make a square. This can really help you when you're writing programs so that you don't have to type the same directions over and over again. You just simply tell the computer how to create that square, and then you can type in the word square anytime you need it. Okay? So we're going to look in a moment at some ways to use this and how it can help our programs be more efficient. Okay, so I've cleared my screen. We still have that command in there that tells the computer how to draw a square. Now we're going to have a little fun with it. What I want my turtle to do is make sort of a kaleidoscope design on the page. So I'm going to tell it to repeat, let's say 10 times. I'm going to have it draw a square, and then after it finishes the square, turn to the left, let's say 36 degrees. So if my multiplication is correct here, then it will eventually make a full circle, because 36 times 10 is 360. So let me end the bracket. Let's see what happens when I push go. Check it out. My turtle made a cool little design built out of squares, 10 squares, and each time it drew a square and then turned to the left before it drew the next square. So you can do all kinds of fun things using this to command and combine it with repeat commands to create lots of different pictures.